Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A3 door panel. This easy method will guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth process. First, let's prepare by gathering our essential tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool to protect your car's interior, along with Torx screwdrivers in T25 and T20 sizes. A small flathead screwdriver will also be helpful for prying small covers. Now, let's begin by carefully removing the trim pieces. Use your plastic pry tool to gently lift the window switch or locking button cover. Behind this, you'll find a Torx T25 screw. Remove it. Next, locate and remove another Torx T25 screw positioned beneath the door handle. Finally, remove the third Torx T25 screw found at the very bottom edge of the door panel. With all screws removed, it's time to detach the main panel. Take your plastic trim removal tool and gently pry along the bottom and side edges of the door panel. You'll feel and hear the plastic clips releasing. There are typically 6 clips to disengage. Once all clips are free, carefully lift the entire door panel straight upwards. This action will unhook it from the top edge of the door frame. Before fully removing the panel, you'll need to disconnect the internal components. First, unhook the door handle cable from the back of the panel. Then, carefully unplug all electrical wiring harnesses connected to the window switches and any other modules. When reassembling, ensure all white plastic clips are securely on the panel. Align the panel at the top, push the clips back into place, reconnect all wiring, and finally, reinsert and tighten the 3 Torx screws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.